Welcome. Today in front of me HUAWEI Nova 9 EC, and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So now, as can you see, we got this wallpaper, set it in our lock screen, and just to change it we should go into the settings, applications, scroll down here to the home screen and wallpaper section. Just tap here to the wallpaper, and here we can select our new wallpaper from our device gallery, from the downloaded photos from the internet, or for example previously taken on our device camera. And also we got here a lot of different just folders with the default wallpapers, and if we'll click here to the more wallpapers, we'll go here to the default wallpaper. We can also customize it and click this from our different styles. So for example, I'll go with this one. Now just click, for example, to this wallpaper, click to apply, and we want to change the lock screen wallpaper. I'll click here to lock screen, wait a couple of seconds, and after that we'll just check our lock screen, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. And also we got the second way how we can do that. Just hold by the same way, slide to the center with your two fingers, and here on the left down corner you'll see the wallpaper icon. Just tap here and you'll see here the by the same way wallpaper section, and just select one from these wallpapers, for example this one, click apply, lock screen, wait a second, and after that just check that. So as can you see, that's really simple. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.